Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install openSSH-server in Ubuntu, in order to enable SSH in the system. SSH is a protocol, which stands for Secure Shell, is a network communication protocol, that enables two systems to communicate. You can see in the picture, how SSH works. Now at first let's check, if SSH is installed in our system or not. At first let's give SSH command, to check if SSH client is installed or not. If it shows anything like this, then you can be sure that SSH client is installed in the system. Now, let's check if SSH server is installed or not. If you get this error message, then you can understand that your system lacks SSH server, so now you have to install it. Installing SSH server enables your system to be accessed by other operating system, and your system will act as server. After installation, you can check the SSH server status using this command. You can see the server is up and running. Now let's try to access the local host. You can see, it is allowing us to access our own system, since we are calling for a local host. Now, you are logged into your own operating system. In this way you can set SSH server. If you want to change the default port on which SSH is based, then you have to edit a file and set new port for SSH server. Search for port and remove it from hash, and set it as any numeric you want. After changing, just save it, and again return to terminal. Now when you try to SSH the local host, error message is seen, since the SSH port is changed. Now, we have to provide the port to get inside the local host. So, in this way you can set up SSH and configure the port to make it more secure. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me.